Hey guys, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm Nate Barger. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can get wealthy in your sleep, and you are forced to grow your net worth by doing this. It's called principal reduction. But before we jump into the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and click on the bell. You're gonna be notified anytime we got new videos or we go live. So what is principal reduction and how does it work? A lot of people that invest in real estate, they don't even know what this is. So here, let's pull up this chart and I'm gonna show you demonstration on principal reduction. So let's say you had a $150,000 mortgage with a 30-year term. 30-year term means that in 30 years, you are going to pay that $150,000 off completely. I know what you're saying. Hey, that's too long. I don't want to do it. Well, look, if you're doing this successfully, you're not paying it off. The tenant's paying it off. Your mortgage rate's going to stay the same and your rent's going to continue to increase. The value of your property is going to go up in value and the amount that you owe on it is going to go down. That is principal reduction. So let's say you lock in long-term debt, a 30-year mortgage on 4%. What does that look like? It's $716 a month. So you're likely to rent a $150,000 home for what we call the 1% roll-up. $1,500 a month. So after you pay your $716 a month, which is going to be your principal and interest, you're also going to have other expenses. You should probably net about $250, $300 a month off that property. But you're also going to have month one, look at this, your principal reduction is $206.12. Well, let's look at this. Principal reduction, month two, is $216.84. Then $217.57. Why is it that your principal reduction goes down even though your payment stays the same? Here's why, guys, because you're only paying interest month two on $149,567.03. Then because your amount that you're paying is going down, the amount of interest that you're paying is going down. So every month you have more of your money going towards your principal reduction, which is a perfect reason why you should buy and hold. Let's just jump up to year 5, 2026. Let's say October of 2026. Now you're paying off $263 instead of $217. So see the shift in that, forcing you to save over $200 a month. So let's say that you had 10 of these. That's forcing you to save over $2,000 a month because it is directly paying down the amount of that asset. Your net worth is growing every month just by holding on. Even if you take the cash flow in and you spend that to live off of, which is what I like to teach people to do. You get you 30 of these things and you're good to go. You got $7,500 a month in passive income. You got another $7,000, $8,000 a month in principal reduction and your net worth is growing. I'm gonna show you how. Let's say you had 10 of these, that's $1.5 million. And let's say that these are going up 5% a year. That's $75,000 a year that you're getting on appreciation. That's another $20,000, $22,000 a year you're getting on principal reduction. That's why I want you guys to follow the program that we have laid out for you and get 30 of these over the next 5 years, because you will be a millionaire. But more important than being a millionaire, you'll be financially free and you don't have to work if you don't want to. So you'll have $250 a month in cash flow times 30 properties. That's $7,500 a month. You'll have another 20 a month per property times 30, which is $6,600 a month in principal reduction, meaning every month the amount that you own of properties are going down $6,600. And let's say you had 10 of these and they were worth $1.5 million, $150,000 each, times 0.05% appreciation a year. That's $75,000 a year. Divide that by 12 months. That's $6,250 a month in appreciation. That is how you get wealthy, my friends. And that's how you enjoy life, because once your bills are paid and you understand how this whole thing works, then you can really focus on your goals and dreams. But until then, it's really hard to get freed up. So guys, make sure you comment below and let me know what questions you have about principal reduction.